How to remove yourself as admin on Facebook page. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook. Enter your login credential and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, head over to menu at the bottom right corner. Over here you'll be able to see your Facebook page. Click on it and then click on switch, where you have been switched to your Facebook page. Now what you want to do is head over to your Facebook page profile and then click on this three dot at the top right corner. Head over to page status and then click on manage admins. So right here you can see that I am the admin of this Facebook page. In order to remove it, what you want to do is click on add new at the top right. Click on next at the bottom. Search for the profile of the person that you want to give the access to your Facebook page. Click on their profile. Now you have to enable this option if you want to allow this person to also have full control. Once that's been done, click on give access at the bottom. Once you click on give access, the invitation to become admin will be sent to this person. And once this person accepts your request, you won't longer be admin of your Facebook page. The person who has accepted the request will be the admin of your Facebook page. So that's it, and this is simply how you can remove yourself as admin on Facebook page. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for staying with us till the end.